Hi guys, Lindley from the Lunchbox Queen here. This is a pretty full yum box, right? We've got sandwiches, some protein, fruit, something crunchy. I just wanted to show you I can actually fit this whole plate of healthy fillers in here to really fill it up. So we've got a big handful of almonds, some grapes. It's all about packing it neatly, and you'll be amazed how much you can jam pack into these little spaces. Okay, we push this over. Some carrot sticks. Just move these around a bit. Sugar snap peas, my kids love this. Nice bit of healthy crunch. Cherry tomatoes. You'll notice these in almost every box I make. They're such a great little filler. Some yellow pepper. I use these silicone cups a lot too. Really great for kids who cannot eat anything when the food is touching. So now we can fit a whole pile of cucumber in there. Finish off with some cheese stars. Now it's full.